Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact materials Notebooklm will analyze: core papers, your notes, and any datasets. Once uploaded, label files consistently so retrieval is predictable. Then create a single Notebooklm notebook and import those PDFs and text files. This seeds the model with domain context. Make sure to include your hypothesis or research question in a short text file as well, because Notebooklm uses that to focus answers and summarization from the outset. Now you shift into iterative prompting. First, ask Notebooklm for a concise summary of each paper relative to your question, then request specific evidence lines and figures that support key claims. Once done, ask it to compare methodologies and flag inconsistencies across studies. Use follow-ups to request tables of extracted variables or a prioritized list of unresolved questions. Make sure to annotate its responses with your own notes, so future prompts reference those annotations and refine the model's focus. Finish by asking Notebooklm to produce a structured draft. Background, knowledge gap, and proposed experiments align to the evidence it extracted. Once satisfied, export the notebook as Markdown and a CSV of extracted citations so you can import them into your reference manager. If the model invents facts or misattributes quotes, don't accept them. Instead, ask it to cite page numbers and recheck the original PDFs, or rerun the extraction with stricter prompts limited to explicit quotes only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.